Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to transfer data from any Android phone to any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Play Store on both devices. Now from here, just search Mi Mover. Now from here, just make sure that you have installed the Mi Mover app on both devices. Now if you have not installed the Mi Mover app yet, just tap on install, and once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now as I want to transfer my data from my Android smartphone to my HyperOS phone, just tap on old on the Android phone and tap on new on the HyperOS phone. Now on the HyperOS phone, just select the old device model. Just select Xiaomi if your old device is a Xiaomi phone, or select Apple if your old device is an iPhone. In our case, our old device is an Android, so I will select Android. Now from here, tap on installed. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for the smartphones to connect. Now as you can see, our Android device has detected our HyperOS device. Just tap on the name of the HyperOS device. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for the smartphones to connect. Now as you can see, there might be a problem in the connection between these devices. So now from here, just tap on cancel. Now from here, just tap on old. Now from here, just tap on connect to the new device manually. Now from here, just do the same with your HyperOS device. Just tap on connect the new device manually. Now from here on the Android device, just connect the Android device to your HyperOS device. Now as you can see, this is the signal of our HyperOS device. Just tap on the name of the HyperOS device. Now from here, just enter this password. Now once you have entered the password, just tap on connect. Now from here on the HyperOS device, just open the control center and open the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Now from here, just tap on the HyperOS device's name one more time. Now as you can see, these devices has connected. Now from here on the Android device, just select the data you want to transfer. Now from here, I will only select the images. Now from here, just tap on send. Now from here, just select both these options. Now as you can see, it is saying do not turn off or switch WLAN hotspot off, and also your device might get hot during this transfer process. So just tap on send. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for the data to transfer. Now as you can see, transferred successfully. Now from here, just tap on done. Now from here, if you go to your home screen, now from here, if you open the gallery app on our smartphone, you can see that we have successfully transferred the data from our Android device to our HyperOS device. And this is how you can transfer data from any Android device to any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.